local communities who've been homeless, communities who've been on the waiting list for a long time are going to benefit. I'm very glad. Who've been patiently waiting to be allocated houses for a long time, but they believe that their government one day will come and give them shelter. Today is the day. Today is the day when the promise that was made even during Nelson Mandela's time comes to be realized, that the elderly, the poor, the downtrodden, those who cannot afford, must be given roof over their heads. And for today is the beginning of a process to roll out allocation of houses, and today you can move into your houses. And I say this very grateful that you've been very patient with your government. You knew that one day this day will come, or you would not leave this world without having been allocated a key. There are many who have left us without having been allocated their keys, because it's a long process. Now to get somebody as old as my child coming here to say they've been on the list long and they're going to invade the houses because it's theirs, they are mistaken. The syndicates who are busy prying on poor people and allocating them houses and selling them houses and stands in Johannesburg, your time is up. Your time is up. Those who've made themselves developers and estate agents of properties they don't own or they don't have a right to, your time is up. And those political parties who think that lawlessness and anarchy is the way to go, your days are numbered. We won't tolerate anarchy, we won't tolerate lawlessness. All the units in Johannesburg are going to go to rightful beneficiaries who are qualifying, especially the elderly who've been waiting since 94, 94, since 96, 97, 98, 99 to 2000. When you were born in 96, you think you can come and occupy this house because it's yours. You were born when Kuno was waiting for a house, and you think it's your right. You're supposed to be in school. You're supposed to be learning, because government still gives you free education. You are afraid to go to school. You are wanting to do anarchy. Now, maybe let me introduce myself. My name is Molwandwa Jeffrey Makubu. That's my name. I've been christened Molwandwa Jeffrey Makubu. Don't ask us to invoke our names. And we know you. When now come here and allocate without the authority to allocate. We know you. We know where you stay. We know what you do. We are coming for you. We are coming for you. These units will be allocated to the rightful beneficiaries. And I'm sending a warning, because from now till October, till the end of this project, a total of 21,000 qualifying beneficiaries will be allocated. Here. A further mega project will be in Lufere. And those who are occupying land illegally, you are going to find our wrath, because we are going to take you toe to toe. And let me promise you one thing, you're going to lose, you're not going to lose. You who think that you can sit in your shack, whether in Loli, or you can sit here, right here in Soweto, and occupy every space, we are coming for you. And the face Koko, who's been waiting for a house, her voice must be heard. Not the voice of the invaders who think that because there are cameras and there's anarchy, their only voices are the only ones to be heard. I want the voices of the waiting beneficiaries to be heard as well. So even the fourth estate, the media, when they see anarchy and they come and people saying, no, I've been evicted, I don't have anywhere to go. Maybe the question should be asked, what about the and the grandfather who's been waiting for 20 years? What about them? What about their voices? Because it can only be one-sided. The anarchists get the loudest coverage, the highest coverage. Now from today I'm appealing that communities must rally to protect their development. People can't come from Dube and Ninesfield and come here and say, these are our properties. They can't. They shouldn't. We are figuring this cold. We are figuring this year. They cold. No, this is my house. And some of them would have had RDPC where they come from. The Polokwane. Ask Kukuni. Madish. No one will tell me it's our money. But let's celebrate with the beneficiaries. For finally your patience is paying off. And we are going to be doing this consistently, giving to the qualified beneficiaries. I receive calls every day. Yesterday, I received a picture of a granny in Soweto who said, please help me. I've been waiting for 96. I don't have anywhere to go. No, your day is coming. Wait. Let's do things legally. And to the beneficiaries, please look after your properties. They are yours. And then government is accused, or no, we are selling to certain people, we are giving houses to certain people. Look after them. Look after this development. It's yours. And to the developer, thank you for the hard work. To the team in housing, in the province, chief of staff in the MEC and the MEC staff, thank you very much. Because it's through your tireless efforts, fighting over budgets, the electricity, knocking on our doors, that today, Gogo Utotola a house. Who's the oldest who's getting a house? Met ladies. Come on. She was born on the 22nd of November 1936. She has seen the wrath of apartheid. She knows influx control. She knows Section 10(1), whether A, B, or C, depending on where you're born. She knows what it is to be a backyarder. She knows what it is to be homeless. She knows what it is to be given 72 hours out of Johannesburg. Yes. She knows what it is to be asked for a lodger's permit. She knows what it is to carry a dompas to go to town. She knows what it is to see freedom. And today, she's enjoying the benefits of the freedom that she fought for the freedom that she's glad to welcome. Memita, born on the 14th, born on Valentine's Day in 1937. Where are Valentine? Mangretu, Memita, or Valentine. 1937. I'm isolating these two just to demonstrate to you what true patriots and citizens are, who follow the law, who follow the process, who patiently wait when you say, "Le minizos and awuwe." Hi, these lawless. Hey, yeah, let me use a proper word. Not these lawless people who think Urbana, they can just walk in and do anything and do as they please. Siyanbonga Kof. And congratulations. Congratulations. One couple are no, you must stress for it. This is the Women's Month. And the allocation must be biased to whom. But every old and deserving person, every deserving beneficiary will get houses. Abatanku, Samayin Wadisa. Go learn one day. There's a 2020 list. I come from 96, 97. We'll say, no, you are 2020 list. Your time is coming. Go and register. Thank you very much, MMC. Let's allocate the houses. Those who want to interdict, we will meet them in court. I've been taken to court many times because they say we've demolished their sheds. They have taken us to court, whether it's Nana's farm, it's Lowly and all that. Bring it on. Because our law cannot allow illegality and anarchy. We'll meet them there. We're not afraid. Thank you very much, Program Director. Congratulations to the beneficiaries. Those who are still to be allocated, your time is coming.